Hey, so why break no more? Why sticking to your values? This one is a bit more abstract, but it's perhaps like something that is talking to you a bit more than it does for me. It's because uh, it's a powerful value contract with yourself. So it's a contract with yourself, and so it's just I don't know. It's the most important contract. Committing to value is the most important contract that you'll ever sign. It's an agreement to honor and protect yourself no matter the external pressure. Yeah, it's like it develops protection, self protection, self preservation, right? You defend yourself better because you have signed a contract with yourself, right? And you want to honor that contract. So as well, it builds self esteem. But like the way it's presented, I'm like, but okay, protecting yourself, and yeah, then it builds in life self-respect and dignity, right? Because you know that you have like this contract with yourself and that you honor it, and so like you feel more. I don't know. It gives you dignity. It's like no matter what happens, it's like you say, it's like no, I am worth much more than this. I respect myself much more than this, right? It acts as well as a personal code of professional conduct, and it gives you as well like still character, it's your branding, so to say. So yeah, this is it. This was all the wise 14. Have fun, much love, and stick to being a good person for this world, no matter what, no matter how. Preserving humanity is the most important thing ever. It builds self respect, it builds dignity, it encourages you to make healthy choices for yourself because you're part of humanity, healthy choices for the future generations and for everything else around. Much love.